Hi, I'm Thanya. Every story has a sweet beginning, and ours starts here. Imagine a finance team that spends hours every week exporting, formatting, and cleaning budget reports, only to end up with incomplete data and errors. What if one AI-powered agent, built on a ChatGPT backend, could deliver fully enriched, ready-to-use Excel reports at the click of a button? This is where the Budget Intelligence Agent, plus Level transforms your reporting workflow. Today, I'll show you how its downloadable Excel report feature can completely change the way you manage and share budgets. Picture a finance team closing out their quarterly budget cycle. They're tired of juggling dozens of spreadsheets, trying to merge numbers, and formatting tables just to prepare a simple report. Now, with the Budget Intelligence Agent, all of that heavy lifting disappears. Each export is not just a spreadsheet, but a decision-ready document, complete with graphs, tables, and AI-powered analysis. Let's step into real scenarios where this feature shines. A CFO asks for a comprehensive budget file. Instead of sending raw numbers, the agent generates an enriched Excel report. The sheet contains clear graphs for quick visualization, tables for detail, and AI commentary that interprets the numbers. What used to be hours of formatting now becomes a single download, ready to share. Executives want to see where the company is overspending or underspending. The agent creates an Excel summary that includes not only actuals and plan, but also variance. Graphs highlight deviations, tables break them down line by line, and analysis suggests potential reasons. Finance leaders don't just see numbers, they see meaning. When department heads want accountability, the agent delivers. With one prompt, Excel reports are grouped by department and cost center. Each section has its own tables and visual summaries, giving managers ownership over their portion of the budget without digging through corporate-wide data. Auditors often ask, how did the budget evolve? Instead of searching old folders, the agent exports historical versions of the Excel reports. Each file carries time-stamped graphs, tables, and commentary. It creates a transparent trail that shows changes across periods, boosting trust and compliance. Leaders frequently ask, what portion of spend is CAPEX and what's OPEX? The agent solves it instantly. The exported Excel splits data into capital and operational expenses, complete with side-by-side graphs and commentary. This makes strategic resource allocation much easier. Thanya, believe in every story. The toughest chapter leads to the brightest page. Static snapshots don't reveal patterns. That's why the agent generates Excel reports with monthly trends. Graphs show rising or falling costs, tables track the numbers month by month, and analysis explains whether these movements are normal or red flags. Finance teams gain foresight, not just hindsight. When underspend or overspend is detected, the agent doesn't just export figures, it provides reallocation notes. The Excel file includes graphs and tables, but also AI-generated recommendations on where funds can be shifted for better ROI. Finance moves from reporting to proactive decision-making. Finance professionals need flexibility. That's why the agent exports Excel files with embedded formulas. Users can tweak inputs, run their own what-if checks, and the file recalculates automatically. It's not just a static report, it's a living model for deeper analysis. Executives often say, I only want the essentials. The agent allows full customization of columns before export. Whether leadership wants department, actuals, variance, and forecast only or a full breakdown, the Excel file matches their exact requirements, making it presentation ready. Version control headaches are gone. With a single command, the agent exports a comparison between two budget versions. Graphs highlight the differences, tables show line item changes, and AI commentary explains the drivers. Decision-makers no longer debate which file is correct, they see the full story side by side. Let's write the next page together with clarity, confidence, and Thanya by your side. As you've seen, the downloadable Excel report feature transforms budget reporting from a painful, manual process into an AI-powered advantage. Instead of wasting hours formatting spreadsheets, you instantly receive enriched Excel reports with graphs, tables, variance analysis, and even AI-generated recommendations. That means finance leaders spend less time preparing reports and more time making decisions. But this is just one capability of the Budget Intelligence Agent, plus Level. Imagine combining downloadable reports with features like budget input and templates that streamline data entry, budget version control to keep every update traceable, annual and project budgeting in one integrated platform, Cost center breakdown for transparency across teams. Forecast versus budget comparison and scenario stress testing for smarter planning. Variance analysis to budget and CAPEX/OPEX segmentation to drive accountability. Approval workflows, alerts and threshold flags, and dashboard outputs to keep everyone aligned. Multi-currency support for global operations. AI suggestions for reallocation, PDF summaries, and audit trails to ensure compliance. Plus access control and budget line commentary to strengthen governance. And remember, this is just one of 33 finance AI agents we've built to cover every corner of enterprise finance, from cash flow and CAPEX to revenue intelligence and risk management. You can try the Budget Intelligence Agent and all 33 finance AI agents for free for 30 days. Just click the link in the description below to get started today. And don't forget, subscribe to this channel to see more real-world case studies and executive demos showing exactly how AI is transforming finance. Stay ahead, stay informed, and let AI take your budgeting and financial control to the next level.